Okay, I have officially started. Yes, I'm going to record audio. Yo, welcome back. So in the previous video, where we left off was just looking at the settings and stuff. Uh, oh, and I'm sitting down now, cause yeah. Um, so in the previous video, we basically learned where everything is. You got to see just like the entire ClickFunnels dashboard and all that, and just where everything's located at. Now I am going to show you how to go about creating your funnels, because that's the main thing that you're going to need to do. So I think it's important that that is the first thing that you learn. Yes, you can go from ClickFunnels to build funnel. Um, I have a very big habit of just going ClickFunnels. Like I'm adding an extra step that doesn't need to be there, but I go there and then I go there. A lot of times it's probably because I'm looking at the funnels that I've already been making. Uh, but yes, you are able to just start from there. Um, so boom, you go to add new, and then so like we learned in the older video, the one before this, or however I decide to organize it, the intro video, you learned that this is where we sort of create them from scratch, or can create them from scratch. And this is where we sort of given like full templates of full funnels. So I'm going to show you the way I personally do it. You don't have to do it this way, but I do believe that it would be a very strong skill set for you to have if you know how to make all of your funnels from scratch. So I'm going to show you what's inside of every single one of these and how to go about creating your funnels in entirety. Uh, in terms of the strategies that go behind every single one of these, we'll go into that in the strategy portion of this course. But right now, we're just learning how to make them. All right? Or we're just learning how to get past this first step. So if we want to collect emails or whatever it is, so whatever it is that you're trying to do, collect emails, sell the product. Oh, there it goes. Sell the product, create your membership area. Uh, it, it it doesn't matter. It's all right here, and it's all going to be, that was weird. And it's all going to be here for you to make. So if you want to go about creating any one of your funnels, you just select it. You want to give your funnel a name. So let's say email funnel example. All right, sorry about the cut. A bunch of stuff auto-populated inside of here, a lot of personal information. So I had to turn off the auto-population setting for for very obvious reasons. So, uh, so what you want to do is you want to, after you make the name, you want to create the group tag. What is the group tag? It is going to be, so you see how all of these is under its own. Here, let me just copy this. Um, so you see how all of these have their own little section, and when you drop down, that's where the funnels are located. The group tag is this name right here. So it's sort of like naming the folder, like how computers have folders. The group tag is the folder, and everything inside of that folder are the funnels. So let's get back to where we were. Luckily, there's not that many steps. We hit add new. Your computer loads for however long it's going to take. Collect emails. Paste that name back into there, and then group tag, we're just going to call this sales funnel commando. Commando. All right, that shows you how well I can spell. But I got it though. No, I didn't get it. Commando. That looks way better. All right. So boom, we have the name, we have the group tag, and then we hit build funnel. Dope. Now, that is how we do it. I will definitely walk you through every single one of these in a later video as far as what the hell they are, and what you can find under each one of these. But for now, I want you to know that that is how you get started with the funnel. So I'll show you one more time just so you can see it done. You see it's under Sales Funnel Commando now, email funnel example. And then we'll actually go in there and create. I'll create a couple of examples funnels for you in here as well. I won't actually go through the copy when I'm showing you that. That'll be in the more strategic section of this course, but you'll at least see how to navigate your way through this. So create funnel. Let's say we want a sales funnel example. And now the cool thing is we don't have to type that out anymore. Boom, we just select our group tag, build the funnel, and then boom, it's automatically has all the stuff in there for us to start making it, and we can add in our own steps if we want. So that is how you go about creating the funnels and keeping them organized. Now in the next video, we're going to go into the actual funnel organizing and building section, if it would ever load. All right, so we're actually going to go into here in the next video, and I'm going to show you how to navigate your way through all of this, where everything is located, and how to add and build steps inside of here. So until next time.